Hello guys, we have this question x plus 3 into x plus 5 into x plus 7 into x plus 9 equal to 9, and we have to solve this question for the value of x. So there are two methods to solve this question. Number one, when we multiply all these terms and then we solve for x and find the value of x. And another method is substitution method. If we substitute over here, so if we multiply all these terms to each other, so we will get 16 values, and as well as we will get x power 4. So this method seems to me a little bit difficult. So let's adopt the substitution method. So we can write this x plus 3 as x plus 6 minus 3, and similarly x plus 5 as x plus 6 minus 1, and this 7 as 6 plus 1, and this 9 as 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Why? Because now we have a common term over here, x plus 6, x plus 6, x plus 6, and x plus 6. So we can substitute this x plus 6 as y. So put y is equal to x plus 6 in this equation. So after putting y is equal to x plus x, so we will get this y minus 3 and y minus 1. Similarly, y plus 1 and y plus 3. Now we will rearrange as y minus 3 and y plus 3 on one side, and similarly y plus 1 and y minus 1 on other side, which is equal to 9. Now according to identity rule or identity formula, a square minus b square is equal to a minus b and a plus b, that is. So if you look over here, this y minus 3 and y plus 3 is in the form of a plus b and a minus b, and similarly a plus b, a minus b. So we will apply this formula on this equation. So we can write this as a square, that is y square, minus b square, that is minus 3 square. So minus 3 square is equal to 9. And similarly, we can also apply the formula over here. So this will become a square, that is y square, and minus 1 square, and 1 square equal to 1 is equal to 9. Now, again, we cannot solve this for the value of y directly, because if we multiply this y square with this y square, so again we will get y power 4. So therefore, now we can write this equation y square minus 9 into y square minus 1 as y square minus 5 minus 4, and similarly y square minus 4 plus minus 5 plus 4 is equal to 1. This minus 5 plus 4 equal to minus 1, and similarly minus 5 minus 4 equal to minus 9. So the purpose of drawing this splitting of this equation into this is to put another substitution over here. So let's put z is equal to y square minus 5 here in this equation. So we will put y square minus 5 equal to z. So then this equation will become z minus 4, and similarly here z plus 4. Again, this equation is in the form of a minus b into a plus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. So we apply the identity formula over here, so it will become a square minus b square, that is z square minus 4 square, z square, and minus 4 square. 4 square is equal to 16, which is equal to 9. So now we have this value z square minus 16 equal to 9, and we will send this 16 on the other side of equation. So this will become z square equal to 9 plus 16, which is equal to 25. So z square is equal to 25, and after taking square root on both sides, so we will get z equal to 5 and minus 5. So now we will put this value of z here in this equation. So after putting the value, we will get the value of y, and then we will put the value of y in the first supposition. So let's first we put the value of z in this equation. So as we know, y square minus 5 is equal to z. So when z is equal to minus 5, as we have two values of z, that is minus 5 and plus 5, so this equation will become y square minus 5 equal to minus 5. And when we send this minus 5 on the other side of equation, so this will become plus. So minus 5 plus 5 equal to 0. And after taking square root on both sides, we will get y equal to 0. So after getting this value, now let's put z is equal to 5. So when z equal to 5, so we will put this z equal to 5 in this equation. So this equation will become y square minus 5 equal to 5. And when we send this minus 5 on other side of the equation, so we will get y square equal to 10. And after taking square root on both sides, we will get y equal to plus minus under root 10. So that means that these are two values of y. One is y equal to plus 10 plus under root 10, and other is minus under root 10. So overall we have three values of y. So now we will put these three values of y in this equation, which was our first supposition, that was y equal to x plus 6. So now we will put these three values one by one in this equation to get the value of x. So let's put it. So now, as we know, we have supposed x plus 6 is equal to y. So when y equal to 0, so put y equal to 0 in this equation. So let's put it, x plus 6 equal to 0. So when we send this plus 6 on other side of the equation, so x is equal to minus 6. So this is our first value for the value of x. Now let's put y is equal to 10 in this equation. So this equation will become x plus 6 is equal to under root 10. So we will send this on the other side of equation. So this will become x is equal to minus 6 plus under root 10. So this is the second value of x. And when y equal to minus under root 10, when y equal to minus under root 10, then we have the value x is equal to minus 6 minus under root 10 after solving this equation. So overall, now we have three values of x, that is minus 6. The second one is minus 6 plus under root 10. And the third one is x is equal to minus 6 minus under root 10. So these are three values of x with us, which we have the solution of the given question. Now let's verify these values. As we know, this is the given equation. So now we will put these three values one by one. So when x is equal to minus 6, so put x is equal to minus 6 over here to check either it is equal to 9 or not. So when we put minus 6, so this will become minus 6 plus 3 and minus 6 plus 5 and so on equal 9. So this value will become minus 3 and this value will become minus 1, and similarly this will become 1 and this will become plus 3. So minus 3, minus 1, and this is 1 and this is 3. So minus 3 times minus 1 equal to 3 and 1 times 3 equal to 3. So 3 into 3, which is equal to 9. So it is proved that x is equal to minus 6 satisfies this equation. So this is the correct value of x. So let's check it for the other value of x, that is when x is equal to minus 6 plus under root 10. So put this value in the given equation. Now we will put this minus 6 plus under root 10 in this equation. So let's put it. So now we have put this value of x, which is equal to minus 6 plus under root 10 and plus 3, and similarly here plus 5 and here plus 7 and here plus 9, which is equal to 9. Now this is plus 3 and this is minus 6. So overall it will become minus 3. So we can write this as minus 3 plus 10 and under root 10. And this plus 5 minus 6 will become minus 1 plus under root 10. And similarly this plus 7 and minus 6 will become 1. and plus under root 10, and similarly plus 9 minus 3 will become plus 3 plus under root 10 is equal to 9. Now we will rearrange these values like this. Under root 10 plus 3, that is this value under root 10 plus 3 into this value under root 10 minus 3, and similarly under root 10 plus 1, this value under root 10 plus 1, and under root 10 minus 1. So now this is again in the form of a plus b, and here a minus b, and similarly a plus b, a minus b. So we will apply the formula a square minus b square equal to a minus b into a plus b. So this will become a square minus b square, and similarly a square minus b square. So the square of under root 10, this root will cancel this 10, so this will become 10, and this 3 square will become 9, and similarly this will cancel this and this square of this. So we will get 10 over here and 9 over here, so 10 minus 9, and similarly we will get 10 over here, and this minus 1 square, so 1 square equal to 1, which is equal to 9. So 10 minus 1 equal to 1, and similarly 10 minus 1 equal to 9. So 1 times 9 equal to 9. So 9 is equal to 9, and again it is proved that this value of x also satisfies the equation, and similarly we can prove and verify the third value. So this was the answer of given question. If you have any kind of question, you can ask me in comment section. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.